So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to turn on text correction suggestion in your Vivo T4x 5G. So guys, for this it is very easy. First of all, you simply open your any application where you use the keyboard. So you just go here and simply go, and guys, here you see the option of setting up button. When you find this, just click on it. After that, here you see the option of correction and suggestions. So you just click here. Now guys, here you see there are multi things that you need customize according to you. Like if you want to correct the word while typing, so you turn on the auto correction. Auto capitalization the first word of the each sentence while using the on screen keyboard. So you just turn it on. Here is the spell check, underline the misspelled in the red. Here is your grammar check, underline the grammatical error in blue. Okay, suggestion features, show word, and here is your word suggestion. Next word suggestion also. Okay, suggest the contact and smart replies. Okay, so you just go here and turn on these things. So this is the way that you can correct all of the multi things. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope